Hello aspiring Geektopians and welcome. If you've ever found yourself stuck in a web of confusion between a business proposal and a business plan, you're in the right place. So in today's episode, I'll do my best to make the distinctions crystal clear for you. As always, I'm your host Nursu and you're watching Dectopus AI. So you're starting a new business and the terms business proposal and business plan are buzzing around your head. No need to worry, I got your back. So if you're ready, I say let's dive into the key differences first and then help you figure out where to start. First things first, what's the real deal? A business plan is like a roadmap for the next 5 years where you outline goals and strategies. On the other hand, business proposal is your sales pitch to clients, complete with cost codes for potential projects. The main takeaway? A plan informs while a proposal showcases operations, goals, and potential. Now shifting gears to the executive summary. In business plans, executive summaries are included to introduce the leadership structure of the company. On the other hand, business proposals maintain brevity, focusing on concise information to facilitate deal closure. Let's zoom into business plans now, shall we? These detailed documents lay out everything from company overviews to marketing plans and financial forecasts. Why bother? Well, for starters, they keep everyone on the same page, attract investors, and help track progress. So what's the scoop on business proposals? Think of them as solutions to problems or pathways to goals. Crafted to sell products or services, these documents aim to convince potential clients that your business is the one for them. Prepping for a proposal, research the client first, know your company's strengths, and of course, be organized. Understand your audience, your competition, and the contract details. And hey, presentation matters a lot, so no typos allowed. So are you ready to write that killer proposal? Follow these steps. Introduce yourself, state the proposal's purpose, identify the problem, present your solution and its benefits, list your qualifications, and request a meeting. Make it neat, error-free, and persuasive. Now, that was a whirlwind tour, wasn't it? Remember, from business plans to proposals, every little step counts. And guess what? If you ever feel like you need some extra help along the way, I strongly recommend that you try Dectopus AI. We've got templates, tools, and a team of experts to support you on your journey. Who says starting a business has to be a solo mission? Over 100,000 companies are using our resources every day, and so can you. Thanks for joining us here today. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. Oh, and definitely hit that notification bell so you know when we post a video. Take care, guys, and I'll see you next week.